This is the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Body Lotion for dry, dull, and rough skin. The Vaseline Cocoa Body Lotion is fast absorbing without making the skin feel greasy. It heals dry skin and locks in moisture, leaving a natural glow. It contains 100% pure cocoa, shea butters, and micro droplets of Vaseline jelly. It is suitable for normal skin types. It has a shea butter and cocoa butter fragrance. The body lotion comes in a 200 ml bottle. The product is available in a 200 ml and 400 ml option. This product is also available in combo options. To use twice a day for best results. Apply generously and massage till it gets absorbed. Use the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Body Lotion for dry, dull, and rough skin. For further information, visit the product detail page.